Group 3 members welcome you all to the skit presented on domestic violence. The characters are Ashita is narrator number 1, Karthik is narrator number 2, Pranasiddharth plays the character of Prasad, member of the supporting party, Shravanti plays the character of Shruti, the member of the supporting party, Kavish plays the character of Kush, convicted member, Nirvisha plays the character of Sushma, who is the victim. Priyal plays the character of Priya, the judge. Madhav plays the character of Mahadev, the opposing party member. And Pranav T. Anup plays the character of Pranav, the Speaker of the Parliament.
In the parliament, Party A members and Shruti are asking for a stricter law on domestic violence.
Domestic violence in India includes any form of violence suffered by a person from a biological relative, but typically is the violence suffered by a woman by male members of her family or relatives. Domestic violence also affects the children of the family.
Domestic violence has been prevailing in India for a very long time and is evolving as a major issue in the country. There have been many laws to prevent the domestic violence, but they aren't strict enough.
For instance, a woman named Sushma attempted suicide and lost her hands after she experienced domestic violence by her husband named Kush, and this happened due to poverty and orthodox thoughts.
Flashback. Kush and Shushma are discussing about the agony of the family.
I'm so stressed as our family has been suffering due to my unemployment. What should we do?
Since we are suffering in this bad time, I want to tell you something. I have received a job opportunity a few days ago, so I'm planning to accept. I can't see our family suffering, so I decided to go to work.
How can I allow you to work? You are a woman. Men are supposed to go to work. You're supposed to sit and take care of the family.
It's been a bad time, and there is no other way than me accepting the job offer.
They argued about this for a very long time, and since Kush was a person with orthodox thoughts, he didn't agree and hit Sushma. This continued for almost a week, and Sushma couldn't tolerate his torture. She even told her parents, but they didn't take it seriously. So Sushma had no other way than to attempt for suicide, and later she lost her hands.
A few days later, Shushma and her parents filed a case against Kush for domestic violence, but Kush denies that he had done any domestic violence.
This honorable court convicts Mr. Kush of committing the crime of domestic violence to Miss Sushma and is given 3 years of imprisonment and a fine of rupees 15,000. And since attempting suicide is also a crime, Miss Sushma will be fined with an amount of rupees 5,000.
The punishment delivered to Mr. Kush wasn't sufficient for the crime he had committed. Sushma, wife of Mr. Kush, had lost her hands while attempting suicide, which will affect her till the end of her life. Mr. Kush, after his term of imprisonment, would come out and live peacefully. Therefore, we ask the Parliament to impose stricter laws against the domestic violence.
The solution which Party A has put forward to stop domestic violence is that a government official should survey every house monthly once and check if any of the women or children of a particular family face domestic violence and take action accordingly. This should be implemented as many women feel scared of complaining about their partners in the police station. The next thing is that punishment for domestic violence currently is 3 years of jail and a fine, which is not enough for people to realize that domestic violence is an unacceptable offense. So, we need to increase the punishment to about 6 years and a fine.
I don't agree with this. Why to pressure the government officials to go to every home monthly once? We can take it yearly once at least. Why to increase the term of imprisonment? This is enough.
First of all, we are not pressuring the government officials. It is their duty to do their work. If we have a shortage of the officials, the government could make a tie-up with the NGOs and ask the volunteers to take a survey. Many Indians think that it is only 3 years of imprisonment and would take it lightly. They would come out of jail in 3 years. It wouldn't make a big difference and they won't even realize their mistake.
Therefore, we need to increase the term of imprisonment so that it would change their thoughts and behavior. Any other questions?
No.
Alright, let's vote now. If the majority of us agree to the solution will be taken to further notice. If most of us disagree, this solution will not be mentioned again in this tip.
Voting occurs and the results are in favor of the solution.
The result was in favor of the plan proposed by Party A, and the plan will be reported to the Superior Office Implementation.